बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. In this video, I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful plastic bottle recycling craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super stunning and these are very amazing and very latest collection for you guys of plastic bottle recycling craft. These are very stunning, these are very amazing and very unique collection for you guys, and I hope so you like this video and share this video with your friends and with your family members. Always take care guys, always be happy. These are very stunning and very amazing collection for you guys. Bye bye.